What's up friends, this is Danny Forex right here. So today in this video I'll be taking you guys to the forex market, okay, and this is the aspect of what I call the traders titan episode 2. Okay, so like in 2 weeks and now, like 2 weeks and some days now, I haven't been active, okay, because what I've been trying to upload some videos on the Forex Finesse course that I've been working on. Okay, so get that, what you need to do is to contact the email at the description box. Okay, so guys, before we move on to the chart, please, if you know you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe, like, comment and share. Okay, so let's go straight to business. Let's move straight to business. So before we do anything, we need to come to the monthly time frame. First of all, Forex Finesse students, you're supposed to know this, you need to know this. Before we do anything, we need to come to the monthly time frame. Okay, so for those that are in the Forex Finesse course, I have uploaded new modules. To the course. All you need to do is that go and check it out. Okay, go and check it out. So now this is AUD/USD. We are coming up with AUD/USD, the monthly time frame. So what have AUD/USD been doing? Now previous traders titan, I talked about AUD/USD dropping. So this one will not talk much, but I will do some explanation. And I see AUD/USD pointing down from the monthly time frame. All we need to do now is to go to the weekly time frame. Forex Finesse students, you understand what I'm talking about. Now you scale down to the weekly time frame. What is happening in the weekly time frame? The market is moving sideways. Okay, so now there's one thing you need to understand in the forex market, that the market don't just move from zone to zone like that. Okay, yeah, the market move from zone to zone, but it don't just move from zone to zone like that. It's what the market do is that it moves sideways, bearish, sideways, bearish. You see, bearish, sideways, bearish, sideways. So this is how the market move. Okay, so now you don't not expect the market to move in a straight line from a zone to a zone. Okay, so now we have seen weekly is moving sideways currently, and is struggling to break out from this our black line. Weekly is currently struggling to break out this our black line. It's struggling to break out from this our black line. So in our last module, in our last episode of the trader title, episode 1, I talked about taking a sell trade at this level on AUD/USD and taking out 50% profit at this our black line over here. I'm moving our stop loss past breakeven. And some people were like, okay, why are you taking 50% of your profit? Why moving stop loss to breakeven? It's what you need to know, that we are not the one moving the market. The market makers, the market movers, they don't get joy. You understand? So now you taking out 50% profit and moving stop loss past breakeven helps a lot. Okay, so now if I haven't moved my stop loss past breakeven, or I haven't taken out 50% of my profit, this market could have come back to this level and rally back up and hit my stop loss. Okay, so now if you notice, I'm moving from you can see the way I'm moving from different time frames. From the monthly time frame, I've scaled to the weekly. I'm now the daily, and I want to move to the 4 hours right now. Okay, so now on this 4 hours time frame, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, I said earlier that I said taking my sell trade from this point, take out 50% of my trade, my profit, move stop loss. I move stop loss past breakeven. And the market went back and hit away my breakeven in profit, not in loss. So now, and I took another sell trade at this point, thinking that the market came back to retest this pattern it did at this point. Okay, so what the market did was that it gave me a little profit, and I was still using this space as my first level target. It gave us a little profit, and it chased our stop loss. So now once the market chases our stop loss, note that we are in a range. This is a range. The market is ranging. Okay, I was like, so now since the market have come respect this zone, market is respecting this zone, it's struggling to break up in this zone, and there's a way the market acts when it can't break up in the zone. The Forex Finesse student, you understand what I'm talking about. Pay attention to this my YouTube channel, because what I'm doing here is that I'm practicalizing what I'm teaching you guys. Okay, so now the market was struggling to break out from this level. What the market did was that it came back to this level and it respected this. So since I noticed that the market came first time, second time, third time, and what this market was doing here was just like it was struggling to go and test on this level. What I did was that I was just waiting for the market at this point. The market came at this point, and I started taking my sell trade. Some people be like, oh my, you took your sell trade, you don't do any confirmation, you don't have any confirmation, you took your sell trade. What I did was that I took my Fibonacci and I brought my Fibonacci from this swing high to this point over here. Okay, to this point over here. I took my Fibonacci from this swing high to the point over here, and I noticed that this level is around 50 to 618 level, is around 50 to 618% Fibonacci level. So now, since the market now is, and this is also a resistant level, a minor resistant level that I've been holding. Understand what I'm doing here? The market is 618 Fibonacci level, and if the market reject from the 50% Fibonacci level, and this is a resistant level that this is a minor resistant level that I've been holding. Okay, so I took my sell trade around this area from this point. Then see, we are still using space as our first level target. Mind that this is the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is the 4 hours time frame. So the market dropped. So now, since the market dropped this way, we cannot just start selling from here. It's too expensive. I will not talk much. If you want to know that, go and get the Forex Finesse Course. To do that, contact the email at the description box. Okay, so now what we did was we draw our Fibonacci from here to this zone, and bam, came to this level. We took out our 50% profit, 50% of our profit, and now we have successfully moved stop loss past break even. We have successfully moved our stop loss past break even. So now what is currently happening in this market? If we notice that when this market came to this zone, some people were like panicking, what is happening in this market, what is KKK, and it dropped down. When the market started going up, some people were like, it's going to test this place, I was like, you guys to wait, just allow the market to do his thing. Okay, so now for this market now, even though this market get to this point, you can be like, okay, this market now is creating equal highs. Okay, so now for this high over here, for this high to be higher than this low, to be higher than this one, for this high to be higher than this high over here, signify that we are on a downtrend. Okay, Forex Finesse students, here is about module 3 or so. Now talk about trend. Okay, so now what we are expecting from this market is that we are expecting two things from this market. Okay, if you don't have Fibonacci from this level down to this level, okay, we are expecting the market to come to this 618% Fibonacci level, or it's come to this level back. But anything the market do at this point, I'm safe, but I've already taken out 50% of my profit, and I've already moved stop loss past break even. Okay, so AUD USD, all we need to do is that we need to wait patiently. As if you haven't getting any trade, I will not tell you to start selling from this range. Okay, because I don't know how your account size is. I'm not starting to sell from this range. It's very, very risky too. What you need to do is that you need to wait for the markets to break out from this range that have happened here. Give you a nice retest, and 0.61968 is the next level target. I've been talking about this since. Okay. Guys, give me a sec. Okay, so that's it for AUD USD. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is Euro USD. So let's go to the monthly time frame first of all. Okay, so this is the monthly time frame. Euro USD doing really good. Euro is doing good. on the last Titan I did, trading Titan I did, I told you guys about Euro USD dropping. I told you guys about Euro USD dropping. We went to retest from this swing high to this swing low. We went to retest a few level. So now this monthly is on a strong bearish. This monthly, and how many days remaining? Okay, let's call it 2 days for the monthly, a day and for the monthly candle to close. So now if this monthly candle close in this way, okay, we are expecting more sales from Euro USD. That is, if this monthly candle close in this way, we are expecting more sales from Euro USD, and we were expecting more sales when we break below this our support level here. This is our zone. This is our zone over here. This is our blue zone over here. But this is a major support level. Okay, we'll be on a more bearish trade when we break below this our support level. Okay, so that's Euro USD on the monthly time frame. Weekly time frame doing really good. Weekly time frame doing nice. Weekly time frame came to our first level target. This is our first level target. This is green over here. See, that's why I normally tell you guys to take your profit at the first level target. That is why I normally tell you guys to take your profit at the first level target. Because as you can see, this is our first level target. Market came, tested it, break out from it. So I'm seeing this as a retest. ADSD might likely break out from this zone. Euro USD might likely break out from this zone. ADSD is used to me, swear. So, or if it did not do that, what it's going to do is that it's going to come to this place. It's going to get to this level, bounce up to this level, okay, and move to the downside. So this is what I'm expecting from Euro USD, or I'm expecting the market to break out from it, from here, give us a good retest and down, give us a good retest and to the downside. So now let's go to the forward time frame. Let me explain more of my trade entries. Okay, so now this is the forward time frame on Euro USD. I started taking my sell trade from this level, from this point over here. Let's take my sell trade from this point over here, and I use the 100% retracement as my first level target. So now as you can see, Euro USD came, broke out from our first level target. We already take out 50% of our first level, our profit. Okay, put stop loss past break even. So we are on a risk free on this trade. So we're expecting the market now to start to create like series of rejection at this point, okay, or withdraw your Fibonacci from this swing high, to this, oh my god, from this swing high to swing low. Okay, we're expecting Euro USD at 1.05634. okay, so this Euro USD on the nutshell. So those will be the end of this Traders Titan, okay, episode 2. And if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, please do so to subscribe, like, comment and share. This helps the community to grow more further. And if you haven't get the Forex Finesse course, contact the email or the number at the description box. And for those of you that are the Forex Finesse course, I've updated the course with new models. Okay, so let's go.